Okay. Howdy, howdy, howdy ho, lads. Howdy ho. Where is the song playing? There's so many tabs. Okay, don't start that. Okay. Howdy ho, lads. Hope you guys can hear me. You can see me properly. Hi, Dad. Radhe, radhe. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Yeah, I'm just checking because I'm still facing from some of the YouTube, like some places like people are not able to chat, so I'm just like also looking at that. But yeah, so finally I'm feeling better and I got some time to do this extra special lead code problem, which is a medium level hash map problem. And it would be nice to look into this. So 1 second. Okay, just getting my water here. So this problem is actually pretty different than the other ones because this one is about um, group anagrams. We completed the anagrams problem, but this one is a medium level. I'll share my screen here. So, group anagrams medium level problem. This is again going back to interview top 150 problems, right? This is under hash map, and this might take some time. I haven't read much about it, but all I remember from the last time is that we have a lot more anagrams to look and group them based on which are each other's anagrams in a string. So let's get started with that. And that's the only one we are doing today because this is the medium level one. I don't know how much time it will take. I might need your guys' help, right? So number 49, group anagrams, and here is the link so you guys can do with me. Okay. So given an array of strings, strs, group the anagrams together, you can return the answer in any order. And anagrams, if you remember, right, I showed you the Lord Voldemort and Tom Riddle thing, where just change all the letters, right, the alphabets in a sentence or in a word, it will change and it will form that same thing. Like, so for example, tea and eat, technically, if you change the positions, they are the same thing. That's the anagram. So this is the input and it wants an array of arrays or list of lists. Explanation: there is no string in strs that can be rearranged in bat, nat, and tan are each other 8, eat, tea. Okay. So now let's think about this one. There's so much data on just this one. Okay, cool. So let's get started with this. Have any of you done this problem before? So let's say if we have one anagram, the way we were able to do one anagram was basically create a hash map, see number of times A, B, C, let's say, a letter occurs, right? And then based on that, we can see with another one, let's say another pair, second word. And if their hash map matches. And I believe like we can do the same thing because with Python, the beauty is we can compare the hash maps as if they are strings. For example, let's say with ABC equal to ABC. In Java we can't, but in Python we can do this, or you can just create your own different algorithm in or which you can, using inheritance, you can just override on the equals one, in which, let's say, if there is a b c 1 2 5, and if I do this hash map, is it equal b a c, this will come as yes. That's how Python works, right? For at least for dictionaries and hash maps. So we are going to take advantage of that thing. So first thing we'll work towards is creating a hash map of every single one, right? So we have first array. I'm just thinking as we go, so I might get wrong. So just bear with me. So let's say it's taking the same one. We had bat, eat, ate, tab, let's say tab, and tan. What we can do is create a hash map of this first. Create a hash map of this, let's say hm for this one, which will look as b equals 1, a equals 1, b b1 a1 t1. Same thing with this, same thing with this. But now we have something, just basically we have to compare and put together in strings. Either we can do something like a bubble sort, right? Like a bubble sort, in which we compare bat's hash map with eat, a, tab, tan, right? And eat's hash map with other ones. Whichever it matches, we can just remove them from the string. And we do this. And this is almost like, again, O(n) square. Its worst case is O(n) square. We want something like almost like O(n), I believe. At least, or that would be great. O(n) square we know we can do. O(n) is something where the money lies for us. If at least O(n) log n can be done to merge sort thing, but or similar. But O(n), I believe, like, as we are getting the hash maps, right? As we are building a hash map, we need to do something like, let's say, create a hash maps of hash maps, just like we are putting out strings of string. And the key value of this will be a dictionary or a hash map, and whatever is the string, let's say for bat. Now, interesting part would be, we went through this one, right? So now let's go over with this idea. I can copy this. Sorry, 1 second. I'm making it beautiful, so it's easy to see. So what I can do, as we go through these hash maps, right? We create these hash maps of bat, let's say. I will create another hash map here, let's say master hash map. So this would be, let's say, the first one, hm bat goes for bat, right? And or wait, instead of even bat, I can just say index. I can put it as an index 0, starting from 0, right? What this index represent is an array of array, because that's what we have to give as output, right? An array of arrays, right? So this index, let's say if it is that, whatever matches this hash map will be added to the very first list on this one. Same with h map of, let's say, 8 goes to first one. Doesn't matches with eat. Yes, it does add to the list in the first index. That actually can do the job in ON, because we are just going ON once and we are not even doing h map or anything. That is actually a good way. Okay, let's see if the way we are thinking is right, and we have to make sure about these scenarios. But let's get started with like the first one. Master hash map, or sorry, and then result, right? If strs so instead in here, so basically if length of strs equal 0, return nothing, else if strs equal, I think this is how we are able to compare in Python, right? Return oh wait, if I can just see the length, strs dot strs 0. Me is here. Yo, Wrench, what's up, homie? What's up? And let's say if the length is 1. Dude, have you done this anagram problem? Let me send the link. How's your study for the college exam going, mate? U is G. G is U. UZ. Okay, now our algorithm starts, right? Yo. So we have a map. We make a master hash map and put hashes as we go. So for str or item in string, for every item in strings, create a hash map of this, right? Have learned unit testing and more testing type making graphs and more. Okay, your testing is something. I have to say this one thing. As you go, right, become a developer, right? The better you are at testing, you are actually become better as a developer. The better you are become as a unit test developer. Because with unit test developing, if you understand what is the right way to do unit testing, how to write it down, and moreover how to improve your app or whatever software you are making, as you do unit tests, like if there are any issues, instead of like changing a unit test, you change the code to make it right. That actually helps you a lot become a better developer. I have done it in my life. I loved one specific software, which is very have a really good enterprise like community. Cypress. This is a very interesting one by JavaScript. This is actually like one of my top testing frameworks of all time. Yeah, this is like top level. This is like if anybody ever wants to learn testing, right, or wants to like get started with it, this is a great one to get started with. Nice, nice. Because I did, if you remember the $100,000 software I was talking about, Adobe AEM with the licensing, $100,000, we used to use that for it. So that was my first. Cypress is my first enterprise grade software testing framework I used, and I loved it, every single bit of it. So going back, right? So we have a first going to all the strings in this one. Oh, now going. I'll give it string name. String. So going to for all the strings in str characters, we create a character. Yeah, we take one character in the strings, right? And before this, we make a dictionary. Temp dictionary. I will do oh yeah, you have done the challenge today, right? Today's challenge. Yeah. How was it? By the way, bro, you should submit solutions in Leetcode and add your YouTube link there. Oh yes, that's a good idea. Yeah. Yo, quick question for everyone here. Do you want me to buy the Leetcode? I was thinking couple of things for Christmas. First was buying 4 or 5 vouchers for Try Hack Me. Couple, I think Hack the Box will also have some vouchers coming. Hard to do. Oh, today was hard challenge. Oh, nice. But yeah, I was saying like I want to do Hack the Box vouchers. I'm buying the Try Hack Me vouchers, but I want to know from you guys, should I buy the Leetcode one? Because if I like Leetcode subscription I can buy, I don't think there are vouchers. But if I get the subscription, if you want me to go over system design, if you want me to go over those things, let me know. And I'm going to share my Discord link here. I'm going to go over this thing. You guys let me know. Going to do a poll or maybe just ask randomly. So have a look, keep an eye, because then I can share whatever you want. I would love to buy the subscription or vouchers wherever I can, and yeah, send it over during the Christmas. I'll just give it some of away or throughout the year as well, which I do already. So let me know. Okay. Now going back, so we'll do temp. So here we have first all the strings in the strings array. If we take every string, take down their character, and if temporary hash map has this character, right? If it is there, dot plus equals 1. If it is not there, temp char equal to 1, right? Rich people dude, it's cheap right now. Other days I'm paying so much more. Right now it's so cheap. I'm thinking of buying some, and I have to get my new iPhone. My iPhone current one is XR. It's so old I can't get software updates done on it, so I can't use certain softwares. I'm buying a new one so I can start making YouTube videos. I can't download the VN editor, which the only one I learned a little bit about. Let's see. And I'm buying the cheapest one, iPhone 17. I'm not buying Pro Max, Ultra Pro Max. I'm not buying those shit. I just want to be able to access certain softwares and able to make videos. That's all I care. I will do the unboxing though. I'll do the unboxing online. Will like live stream. That'll be funny. Can make a video on that. So okay, going back. Let's focus. Let's lock in for 5 minutes, and we should be good. So for character and string, if temporary, if there is character, good. If not, do this. Right. After you are done with all this, and keep a counter count. And we have count equals 0. So once we have our mini hash map and then we have our count, we are going to add this hash map to our system, which is I wish, man. I'll be happy with like just modest 100 million in my bank account. Master hash map. So adding here. Way too many words. Hash map. Yeah, no, this is more than enough for me. Same thing. Almost. So if master hash map got the temporary what's this called, temporary hash map or the small hash map, will add the current string so to our list of lists. So result, how to get a list or append list in list. So if I have list of list, get this one and append. Okay. Okay, simple. That's good. I like Python for this reason. So if it is there, result, whatever is the hash map value, temp, whatever its value it goes here, that is the index, and will append this current string, else append, oh no, sorry, master hash map will have this temporary hash map and dot append current string. Okay, I think this will do the job and return result. Let's try. Line 20. Is it else if? My brain has been switching with so many languages, it's crazy. What is this? Bro, it has to be else if, isn't it? Or am I... What am I doing? Again, I'm ended up in the same thing because I keep forgetting if else and else if and those things, because Python is different, freaking BBJ is different, all those. Oh, okay, else should be else, not even else if. My brain is gone. Well, side effects of working 10 plus hours every day. So if master this one, you are very happy about it. Line 23. Unhashable type dictionary. Okay. Make it is possible to create dictionary of dictionaries. So student data is a dictionary. No, you cannot have directly standard. Okay. It has to be hashable. Can I override the hash? Then this specific way won't work. We have to find a better method of doing this. Eh? If it is not hashable, at least like we know we have like, if let's say dictionary of dictionary in this way is not possible, at least what I can say is we can, what do you think about this idea? Instead of this, we can do an array. Bro, I was running your Leetcode stream at the background when I was working. Your stream time must have gone. Oh, yeah, I think yeah, it has been up. We can check. Definitely, we should check after this. I want to check time on YouTube. Watch hours. Yeah, let's check after that. I'm just thinking first. We have this dictionary. I want to compare dictionaries. That was the easiest way we can do this problem. How can we compare dictionaries? Okay, yeah. Maybe we can just reverse it, right? We have this. We'll get all the keys 0, 1, 2, and this can be a dictionary. This can be a dictionary. This can. The only thing is we have to go over these ones, which will still be less because it will be like whatever is the amount of dictionaries that are available, right? Whatever is the amount of dictionaries that are available. I think at least we can do this way and then look for a better one. So instead of here, right, we can do keeping it for every like item in master hash map or dictionary, if master, if item, oh wait, I need I because I will be able to then add it into the system. If master shy equals this temporary dictionary, this will be like the here, it will be added to this result. Let's say if it is not present in any of them. Let's say I do just a simple flag. It hasn't been added. If flag equals, change it to here, true, flag equals true, because it has been added. If flag equals false, or way better way of writing is not flag count, and then increase the count by 1. Let's see. In the range. Yeah, add the array, another list to this list, and I can do, yeah, I should have done that in the first place. A string thing, yeah. Please come on. Okay. No, this is wrong. Nope, this is wrong. So we have eat, t, tan, 8, nat, bat. Didn't do anything. Okay, let me think. Hyperion, what's up, bro? Long time no see. How you doing, brother? How are you? So nice to see you, mate. Result. Yeah, doing some Leetcode, man. Doing good. I'm doing good. Thank you so much. Was feeling a bit down yesterday. Could not do any streaming, but now I'm feeling so much better today, and had like almost 7-8 hours of work today. No, not even 8. Started at 8 9 in the morning. 9 in the morning, had till like almost 6. Yeah, so like almost 10 hours of 8 9 hours of work today, which was nice. I felt good. I was able to immerse myself in work today. How about you? How's everything going? How's the big bug bounty stuff going? Any big 30K bugs anymore, or 100K bugs? He just wants to say he's feeling straight today. Okay, Wrench. Thank you. Thank you for uh, able to give words to my feelings. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. That's hilarious, man. I'll put this a bit up. Yo, good call. Good part is we hit $40 on the what's this called, the sponsorship. So that's a good thing today. let's try to fix this. So false. Let me see else. Print whatever this is, string, whatever this is, whatever is the temp, and the hash map. Okay, let's see. Almost done with Bronze Age. Oh, nice. Nice, bro. Did I do string? No. No, bro, I have way more. I'm at like, I'm about to end the next one. Bronze Age is like way, way behind. You are way behind, mate. I have like, it starts with M, whatever it is. It's some couple of easy flex. Easy fix, easy hacks you have to find. You know, you have to be a pro at hacking to be able to find, you know, your way around the game. It's okay. You will get there. You will get there one day. So for each okay, how about this? I'll take this one. You must have paid, you cheater. Nope, not even a single buck. Not even a single dollar. Oh, wait. I'm not able to get the prints. Oh, master is nothing right now. I'm an idiot. This is never running. No, it will run. First one, it won't run. Oh, then after that, I have to add master hm whatever is count equal temp. So I added in the master hash map, then added in the result, and let's see now. Oh, equals. Let's see. Okay, beautiful. Got everything the way I wanted. Nice. All test cases are passing. Let's make it a bit better looking. Beauty. Let's speed up the process. Let's see. I really hope I get this good, because this one is actually a good algorithm. Beats 5%. Amazing. It was shit. Like, I thought it was good, man. Like, for strings in str, right? Temp get this character and blah blah blah. Search your solution. You do it in like TypeScript. I don't like it. Solutions. Okay, let's see. Wrench. I think I should have your profile by now. TypeScript. No, your name is different. What is your name on this TypeScript. I think now it will come. And can I just sort it? Wrench, here it is. Ha! I found it, boy. The goal is to group strings that are anagrams for each via using AISE. Okay, so you create a list basically of all the alphabets. If they are character code, if they are longer or like uppercase, you make it into lowercase. Then add them into the frequency plus plus. Okay, then with the key from character code apply null frequency. Okay, this becomes the key. So you are able to do that in hash map. Okay, so you are able to like compare the buckets or these with key is equal to string from character code apply. Wait, hold up. So you basically used like the whole, you created a string of all 26 26 strings to compare. That's actually a nice way. Instead of going over, so I can improve mine by like, instead of creating just a hash map, create like a array of 26. Basically, let's say instead of like I will do a temp. Let's say, okay, so with your solution, let me think about this way. We go over each string, right? Create an string of almost, or either an array or basically a string. Actually, a string will be better, of let's say zeros. 26 zeros. Oh, nice. If I show you my stuff, you will be very pissed. But yeah. So let's say if there is a A, this string will become 1 0 0, right? And this keeps on happening. Now you use this string as a way for hash maps. So this kind of, let's say, encoded, or this resulting string, or like let's say alphabet string, use that string as the key and the array. Okay, yeah, this actually is nice. Okay, so I think I can do this quickly. So (26), so this becomes that get Python get I can solve this stupid ass Leetcode solution but can't get a job. Dude, Leetcode, I will say this. Leetcode is not the best way to tell if you can make good softwares or not, but Leetcode is the best way to help you get the job. And you should be able to get the job. Have you applied even for a job or no? I believe you haven't applied, right? You were asking about it. Yep, that's what I thought. string.ascii to lowercase. This is it. Way better answer. Whatever is this character index temp dot wait, I can do this. Zero to this plus temp whatever is this index plus 1. I'll keep it different. Frequency int this way. Coding is holy. Frequency plus whatever till the end, right? That is the alarm for my bedtime. So we have frequency, then we have a temporary variable, like we update this. Now we use this. I have done CodeChef, yes. That's the my first platform for coding. Like competitive coding, CodeChef. Really nice platform. And that was my first one. But Leetcode I feel has a better interface. But CodeChef has a really good value. Yeah. No, CodeChef provides really good value. So if I think I don't even need count, right? If if this so if this string, this temp in master hash map dot temp dot append the string, else instead of count, maybe we need a count. No, I don't need a count. Temp string I need a count here. Okay. Oh, I need this way. This will return a count result. Oh no. Oh yeah, there is better way. So with the string, it's hash map itself, I'll just get the keys and that will be a list of lists. Master hash map this. That way, else it will be a list of this way. No need for count. Remove count. Remove results as well. Return master hmap dot keys. Let's see if this will work. Ah. Think we're good now in this case now. So many. Yeah, I'm halfway done there, or more than halfway. Something that much. Yeah. You said you were in bronze, man. Come on, you said you just completed bronze. I'm way ahead. Temp 0. What is the error this is giving? Oh. Into string. This puts str or something. Str, yeah. Values. How does my hash map looks now? Master HM. Let's see how it looks. Here's the hash map. First one was eat. A B C D E C D E. Okay. Noob. Yes, I am noob. Index plus 1. This will be index max of either index minus 1 or 0. And then there is index again. Now let's see. I will get this better. A B C D E. D is same at least. Tan 8 is basically there. Oh, how was it, Hyperion? How was it? Why there's 2-1? These should be same. String comparison in Python. Yeah. If these two, why these two are not same? Did a simple solution where it works. Yeah, like my solution works, but I want to get better than 5%. That's all my right, like we need to get something better. At least I want to hit 50%. That's like minimum goal sometimes. How's your everything like bug bounty going though? Anything, many big stuff coming from bug bounty? Like new big news? I get a 069 time. So I have this temp in master hash map. It should be there. This is like something. If I do like based on like my solution here, this one. Is this going to do any difference? Like if I have it this way, flag falls if no, this is the reason. This is it. This is the no, there's something wrong. That's why this is not working, right? E F G H I J K K A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V X Y Z. E F G H I J. Probably because I have an A in this and I'm not doing this one correctly. So if let's say it's A, right? Because other might be the one, let's say there's A in every single one of them. Okay, never mind then. And all of them will have one like this. I have no idea why this B has so much. B A A T E. So my indexing, there is an issue. This part is the issue. Say index here, print char comma this, print this. Let's see. E is 4, A 0, T is 19. Yes, yes. Okay, these are right. Then for every character in the item string, integer value of index, whatever is at this, on yeah, whatever is in this temporary, let's say if it is 0 plus 1 added, 0 index is 0, so 0 1 is 1, maximum of this is 1. Give me code solve. Okay, I believe the issue is here. Basically the issue is in this code. I will send it in the yeah, let's go debugging. I'll send you in private DM. Excuse me. I'll send it to you in the private DM, and if anybody else wants, let me know. Send boss. So there is some issue with this. So we have this string 0. Okay, if it is 0, yeah, no problem, but it is an empty string. Okay, so that's not wrong. This is good. If it is B though, no, then this is good. Like it should be index, right? Plus whatever is the frequency. I think this would be the one that would work. Dictionary value, this is not list of list. Let's say index comes as 0, let's say whatever, add that from that index, keep going ahead. I want to remove this first. Now let's copy paste this error. A, B, C, D, E is coming as wrong. E is 5. E total 5, so there will be 4 of these. So if E is there, this might be the right time to use AI. Maybe, okay, how about this? We put a timer. If it's 18, 10, 18 right now, if by 23 I'm not able to get it, I will use AI. Okay, let's do a quick last 2 minutes push. No, 5 minutes push actually. 4 now. Print char char, then print whatever is the temp and print the temp again. Let's see. E, this get increased here, then this gets increased again, then this get increased. Okay, so that's the issue. Index -1 or index +1. It's not getting increased, that's a good thing. Okay, we are able to get things now. And I have to go min of index +1 or 26. If, because just in case Z comes. And now I have then let me put print type master hm and then do this dot values and for so I don't see the error, I'm doing this just because I don't want to see the error, even though the answers might be wrong. That's fine. Okay, dictionary with values. This, yes, dictionary values. Okay, beauty. So how about this dot before I could even use AI. I think I figured this almost there. List object has no attribute. Okay. Append this guy. Let's go. Wait. No, yeah, I got it. I did that. That's done, boss. That's done. You forgot to put like a max. Yeah, or min of this. But I'm just thinking, okay, so convert okay, this way. Now we know dict dot values and these two are not same. So something good to learn today. Dict values is not equal to the list, and we got our solution, the second solution ready. Come on, give me a good one. Okay, great. We got strong answers. Why the D value? Oh, never mind. What? It's all D, all the G's. What is going on? So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Not 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is good, this is good. It's the D. The D is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, what? What? Oh, there should be a. There should be string list of lists. Uh, so these two. Why these are not coming as different? Why these are coming as same? Huh? Okay, let's put this as the value, test value. Let's see. Test case. I want to see. Come on, boy. Oh, they are coming as 10. These are 10, not. Oh. Wait. No. Wait, hold up. Oh, 10 and 0, 1. Okay. So I have to put this as almost like a. Oh, dude, this was such a good one coming. Now I have to do it as either. I can't do it as string. Now I have to do it as an array because with string it will go way worst. Dude, I didn't think of that as like 10 coming as issue. Holy fuck. How about a list like this? Can I put list? Can I use list as a key in dictionary. Please say yes. If I can't use this, then I don't know what to freaking hell do. If I can't use list or dictionary both as keys in Python dictionary, then the solution we provided first is the one. Yeah. Okay, we can let's look at solutions and let's look at AI, because I think this one I don't know what I will do in this case then. Is this solution the one that got accepted? Huh. Okay, let's see. AI take your job? Nah, man, not that easy. I'm good at my stuff. I'm like confident enough that I'm good with my shit. What one thing I can do is, instead of solutions, I look at the submissions. Right? I can look at something like this, why majority people are at 23. Can I look here? Can I look at this one? Maybe this one, this. No? Oh. Here. Let's look. No need for self-promotion. Group anagrams, sell this list. List a default dictionary list. What the heck? At this point, it's all about like if you know Python. Default dictionary list in Python creates a dictionary-like object where if a key is accessed that does not already exist, it automatically creates a new entry for that key with an empty list. This behavior is powered by corrections default dict. Okay. For is in enumerate strings, we have a list or dictionary sorted as. How is that? If you are sorting, bro, this is like that adds counter to an it. Yeah, no, this is not. I think I need myself. I just need to go more. So index and character you get. So you get the first one is the index. Second is you are getting the string itself. Sorted string dot join, and there is like so many sorting. How is that like a good solution then if you are sorting every single string you get? Isn't that taking a lot more time? Append I. Okay, we added the index. For IDs and this, or for all the values. Okay, we add the string. I see what he did. Okay. Wanna see my memory efficient version? Clearly not the best. Sure, I would love to. What's a solution like a ID? I would love to like have a look. Dude, like these things, at this point you need to know these things, right? Or like you have to be so much into. I want to see, am I able to see whose solution is this? A lot of people did sorted as. And this will be good for small ones. I don't think if it is like super big, like if the arrays itself are big, then like it's a good one, is it? I don't know. I don't know. Hyperion, where's your solution, mate? I would love to see. That's the last thing we'll do, and then we'll call it a day. You are a nerd. Can you share me your name? Like, So for example, mine is censored hacker. Share me your name, I will look. How many points I got? I got 76 points. You are a nerd, bro. You are a nerd. Range, you are a nerd, bro. I'm thinking I should buy one, right? I should just buy it. Turkey. Astrian 64, sure, boss. Where's the search option for it? Problems, explore. No. How can I see people? My playground appearance. Profile. Astrian. Python. Okay. Group. Oh wow, 42%. That's awesome. So again, byte array. Okay. A is 97. W in strings, or every word in the string used. Order. How much is? Oh wow, your memory is holy crazy. Yeah, he loves Mario, man. His even bug bounty one is Mario. That's crazy. 99.29%. Holy damn. As a hacker, I think that's pretty good, right? Like if you're able to like go up and down in the memory all the time, that's amazing. And this is now going to bytes and stuff. Bro, mine is also 22 something, man. That's crazy. Mine is also 22 something. What is my rank? I'm at 3 million. Pretty bad. Yeah, 20 MB is like holy. Some people, what is? I don't know how some people reaches this. That's some craziness, man. Amazing, bro. Order ch, you get that. Index, okay. Okay, +1, yes. Go to the bytes. I see. I think if I say, what do you guys think? If I am able to complete my this one solution that was wrong, I should be able to hit at least like, if not 5%, at least 50% I should be able to hit. I'll think about it while I sleep, I guess. This solution I need to think while I sleep. If I can't do this, I can only do this. Oh wait, what about if I do this 0 0? I have to do index, whatever is the index, so instead of 1 2 it will be 2 0 1 0 1, then 2 0 2 4, and then it won't be 26, it will just double 52. Oh no, it will like go back to 26, but it will like end up being 52. Wait, I think this might work. This is a bad solution. Don't do it, because this only works for like if it is 10 or like 99 max. After 100 it will break. But it might be able to get this solution, at least like give it a try for all the things we were working hard for. Okay, so frequency is whatever is this, an integer of, so if let's say if minus 0 0 is basically 0, oh sorry, 0 1 represents a 0, 2 3 4 5, so this is 2 to the 2 times whatever is the index, 2 times index, So I think I can, if I go for frequency here, index times 2, basically simple. Frequency this is something which is wrong to do. I wholeheartedly say it. I just want to give it a shot. I want to try. This is like I've spent way too much time going from 5% to something better, so I'm going to do it anyways. So let's say the last one is index times 2, which will be okay, have to change this. So string will be, if it is less than 10, substring is equal to this 0 plus str frequency, else no need to do anything, or else I have to have this str frequency substring. Added this, and this one will go from, instead of, let's say if the index is 26, 26 times 2 will be this. Let's say for case of z is 26. I want the this will be added 26, and this will be 52 again. You want to try this one? Let's see. Oh, it works for this case. Hell yeah, let's see. Let's see. Oh wait, what? Didn't work? We have bat, eat, tea. I had to try it. I had to try it. There's like no reason why not to try it though, right? I had to try that solution. A, B, C, D, E is wrong. I think I can figure it out. I just need a little bit time. I'll figure it out. Yeah, I think I'll just go sleep now. I think I'm way much in my head. My brain doesn't work. But at the end of the day, I got one solution out. I tried doing another solution, didn't work out. Will think in my sleep and get it out. Ah, be weak. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for you to join me in the slavery, mate. I'm just waiting. Once you get a job, I want to see. I will check up on you and we'll see who is weak. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see, bro. Job you, no happy. Job you, yes. Me sad, me joy, yes, yes. Me sad, wrench unemployed. Me sad when wrench unemployed. Okay, lads. Thank you so much for your time today, and don't forget to play this game little bit for just a little bit, 10-20 minutes if you can spare. Download the game at least and play for 5 minutes. I will be able to do a lot more giveaways when people do this. Your end, check this out. Yes, watch hours, yes sir. Just for the people though, here's the link. Please go scan the QR code here and have a quick look. This is how the QR code looks. Scan it, download the game, please. Please. And let's watch my YouTube watch hours. I haven't checked. I did got like a 2000 hours of watch time thing. Where is it? I did got. Yeah, here, lads. Thanks to you, I got this. And let's see. We are at 1914. Interestingly. Let's say for last 365 days. Content type. Just this. This is the progress, man. This is the progress. So total is like 2000 in last 24. What's this called? 12 months. Yeah. And this was very less. My proper streaming, I think, started in like here in March, April when I started to catch up. Just between this time and this time, that has been most. This is October starting. Yeah. But this is nice. I'm happy. Like, this is nice. If you see this, I'm happy with this. Yeah, I just have to start working on my what's this called, video editing skills. Yeah. Yeah, lads. That's all for today. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys are happy. I'll come tomorrow, and we'll do again. Continue our top 150 interview. We will do happy numbers, constant duplicate 2, contains duplicate 2, right? We'll do these two, and if time permits, longest consecutive sequence. Let's see. Till then, thank you so much, lads. This has been your favorite neighborhood hacker, the one that loves algorithm more than. No, I love algorithm, and I don't know more than what. But yeah, somebody who loves to break the rules and break the algorithms. Your favorite censored hacker signing off to sniff some packets and get some sleep. Till then, thank you so much and have a good day. Bye. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much. Love you. Jai Mata Di, let's rock.